Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to explain you Polynomial chapter number 2 from book NCERT. So let's get started. Before moving, please subscribe, share and like my new channel, the Study Hacker 3210. So let's get started. So here we can see question number 1 of exercise 2.2. We can see it is written x square minus 2x minus 8, which equals to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. So here we will take common. So we have taken common here 4x and then 2x. So the zeros are 0 is equals to minus 2 and plus 4. So we have to verify also the coefficient and the zeros. So we will verify the sum of zeros. Minus 2 plus 4 equals to 2, which equals to minus 4 upon 1 equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and then we have to write the product of zeros, and then we will write equals to minus 2 into 4, which equals to minus 8, which equals to minus 8 upon 1, which equals to constant term upon coefficient of f of x. So here we have completed the first question. Now we will move on second question. So here is question number 2, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So as we can see, it is a perfect square of 2s minus 1. So the zeros will be 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, as it is square. So we have to verify the coefficient and the zeros. So we will write sum of zeros equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, which equals to 1, which equals to minus 4 upon 4, which is equals to minus coefficient. Have to make bracket, and then you have to write product of zeros, which equals to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, which equals to 1 upon 4. So we have to take LCM. So if we write here s square minus 1, also if we write 1 plus 1 upon 4, so we have to take whole LCM. So it will be 4 s square minus 4, actually here it will be s not 1, s plus 1. So here it is our equation. Many of people are confused here that we have written 1 and then we have written 4. So this is the aid to remove confusion. So we are moving on question number 3. So here is the question number 3. So question number 3 is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So with the help of splitting the method, we will split this equation and then we will take common. So here we have taken. So the zeros are 3 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 3. So these are the 0. So then we have to verify the 0 and the coefficient. So we will write sum of 0 equals to this, which equals to constant term, and then we will write product of zeros like this. You can stop the video and write the answer, so get better results. So now we are moving on question number 4. So here is question number 4 and the answer. So first we will take common here. So we have taken 4u common. So the zeros are 0, as there is only one common. So 1 into 0 equals to 0 and minus 2. So here are the two zeros. So we have got the zeros. So sum of the zeros is minus 8 upon 4, and the product of the zeros are 0 into minus 2, which equals to 0, which equals to 0 upon 4. For verifying this, we have to write coefficient of u upon coefficient of u square and constant term, and then we have to write the coefficient of u square. So we are moving on the next question, question number 5. So here is question number 5, t square minus 15. So if you know under root into under root equals to the number, so as we multiply this is actually a formula of a square minus b square, which equals to a plus b into a minus b. This is identity. So by the help of identity we will solve this question. So we have solved this question, and the zeros equal to minus 15 under root and under root 15. So we have to verify the coefficient and the zeros. So we will write sum of zeros, which is equal to under root 15 minus 15, which equals to 0, and which equals to 0.1. Then we have to write coefficient minus coefficient of t, and then we have to write coefficient of t square. Then we have to write product of zeros, which equals to under root 15 into under root minus 15, which equals to minus 15, which equals to minus 15 upon 1, which equals to a constant term upon coefficient of t square. So we have done question number 5 here. So we are moving on question number 6, the last question of this video. So this is our last question of this video. So the last question of the video is question number 6, x square minus x minus 4. So with the help of splitting term method, we will split this equation and then we will take common. So this zeros are plus, so it will be minus 1, it will be 4 upon 3. So zeros are minus 1 and 4 upon 3. So the sum of zeros are 4 upon 3. So we will take LCM, so 3 will go up. So it will be 3 minus 4, which equals to 1 upon 3. Then it will be minus here as it is coefficient. Then we have to write here. So it is minus 1 into 4 upon 3, which equals to this. So we have ended up with this video. So please watch my next video. In next video I will solve question number 2 of exercise 2.2. So please stay tuned with my this video. Please subscribe, share and like my new videos.